Sentex, your one-stop hydraulic shop. Sentex Hydraulix is a family-owned business with over 50 years of industry experience. Our in-house workshop specialises in the manufacturing and reconditioning of hydraulic and pneumatic cylinders. We offer a cost-effective and efficient repair solution with most components and materials held in stock. Sentex is home to the area's largest cylinder service bench, Centrifuge, specially engineered to produce over 40,000 foot-pounds of torque. This combines productivity and efficiency, allowing us to disassemble and reassemble even the largest cylinders in one place. With our mobile service, we can also complete hydraulic hose replacements, ram removal, refitting, or fix any other issues on site. We also offer a fleet filter management service. By efficiently sourcing great filters at the best prices, we'll take the stress out of your stock management system in no time, ensuring we have the filters you require in stock and ready when you need them. As a distributor for Donaldson Filters, the inventors of the first engine air filter, we have a selection of superior OEM filters right at our fingertips. We stock a vast range of hydraulic and pneumatic parts and products. As North Lincolnshire's one-stop hydraulic shop, you can rely on us for all your requirements, from high-pressure hose assemblies and quick-release couplings to seals, O-rings, and everything in between. As a proud distributor of many great brands, we don't only just supply, we offer full after-sales support. And we're an authorized service center for BVA hydraulic equipment and Kranzel hot and cold pressure washers. Our mission is to keep your business running. Our friendly and efficient team will always go above and beyond to provide you with the best possible service. Get in touch today via 01724 856 451, sales@sentex.co.uk, or visit www.sentex.co.uk. Sentex, your one-stop hydraulic shop.